Hi, I'm Alan Tutt, and I'm here to guide you through a process that will help you reconnect with the divine essence of the universe and use that connection to renew all aspects of your mind and body. By the time we finish this session, your body will feel rested, your soul will feel nourished, and your mind will be alert and alive. You may repeat this session as often as you desire, whenever you feel these things may be a benefit to you. In situations where you may need more extensive bodily repair or recovery from mental exhaustion, feel free to use this recording 3, 5, even 10 or more times in a single session. However, please note that this is not a replacement for basic necessities like food or sleep. Also, this is not intended as a replacement for professional medical attention. If you could benefit from the services of a doctor or physician, avail yourself of their services as well. Okay, before we begin, find a place where you won't be disturbed for 15 to 20 minutes. And where you will be able to relax completely. If you need to lock the door, shut off your phone, or loosen your clothing, go ahead and do that now. When you're ready, relax into a comfortable position. You may sit or lie down for this session. If you have a tendency to fall asleep during meditation, you may prefer to sit up. And if you have trouble relaxing, you may prefer to lie down. When you are comfortable, start to focus on your breathing. Notice the inflow and outflow of your breath. Imagine that you are breathing in fresh, clean air, and you are exhaling all that no longer serves you. Breathe in power and energy. Breathe out negativity, resistance, and worry. With each breath, your body becomes more and more relaxed, and your mind becomes more and more focused. As you continue to breathe in the divine essence of the universe and breathe out all that no longer serves you, you may notice a feeling of lightness, a feeling of joy rising up within you. Focus on this feeling of joy and imagine it getting stronger, more intense, and growing beyond the boundaries of your physical body, extending out into the world around you. If you wish, you may close your eyes and imagine yourself in an ideal place of relaxation. Imagine that you are someplace you enjoy. This may be a sunny day at the beach, walking in the woods, sitting by a fire, or getting a deeply relaxing massage. You may imagine yourself alone or with someone you love. Feel free to imagine all the little details that would be present in this enjoyable situation. See what you would see if this is real. Hear the sounds that are present. Smell the air around you. Notice the textures and solidity of the environment. Focus your entire mind on the full experience of this place, including my voice, and ignore everything else. The more you imagine this enjoyable experience with rich, vivid detail, the more you will experience the many benefits of this session. Good. Now just relax and enjoy this experience, allowing the feelings to overtake you and carry you away into a deeper, more spiritual place within yourself. Soon you will notice yourself someplace that could truly be described as divine. You might even call it heavenly. The feeling of powerful spiritual energies pulsates throughout this space. Maybe you experience this energy as light, or as sound, or maybe you feel it in some way. Even if you do not consciously notice the spiritual energies of this place, know that the essence of where you are now is transforming you on a fundamental level. As you relax into this experience, you feel fully protected. You are safer now than you have ever been in your life. A feeling of love and joy permeates the air you breathe, and you bring more and more of this into yourself with each breath you take. At this point, you are guided to a pool of water, where you hear the most wondrous music playing in the background. Such relaxing music that stirs deep feelings as powerful energies move within you. And this is even before you enter the waters of the healing pool in front of you. Go ahead and enter the pool and prepare for a truly magical experience. Begin now to release all of your past pain, past frustrations, past disappointments, past worries, past anger, past fear, past sadness, past exhaustion, past weaknesses, past frailties, past inadequacies, past guilt, past confusion, and any other negativity that has not yet been released. Let it all go. The magical waters of this healing pool wash away all of the negativity and carry it where it can be processed, cleaned, and purified, renewed for better use. As you release more and more of your past negativity, you feel lighter, brighter, and stronger. It's amazing how quickly this happens. It's as if a divine being wills it, and before you can blink an eye, years of healing take place in an instant. Oh, that feels good. And yet, this is only the beginning. Continue to soak in the healing waters of this divine pool, and soon you will notice that as it carries away all of the negativity released into it, fresh, clean water is pouring forth from a spring nearby. Feel free to move closer to the spring and notice how it energizes you, nourishing your soul in ways you never knew were possible. And just as quickly, you find that you are restored to perfection. Your slate has been cleared, and your mind and body are ready for anything life can possibly throw at you. This effect grows more and more intense as the divine nourishment renews your body, mind, and soul, moment by moment, giving you the experience of a lifetime of healing in each moment that passes. And this is more than simple restoration. This massive influx of healing energy empowers you, strengthens you, and adds to your health and vitality beyond anything you have ever experienced before this moment. It's as if you are rapidly transforming into a much more powerful being, beyond that of any human who ever lived. You are now more than ready to come out of the pool and sit in the sun, where you can soak in the healing rays of the divine light, which stabilizes the healing work done in the pool. As you enjoy the feeling of the sun against your skin, You notice a table which has been prepared with food for you. All of your favorites are there, prepared to perfection. When you have spent enough time in the sun, partake of the bounty prepared in your honor. Your favorite people are available to join you in this experience. The next hour or so is spent in meaningful conversation as you and your inner circle break bread together, feeding your body and soul with everything you need, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Eventually, the conversation winds down. Everything that needed to be said has been said, and everyone understands that love is at the heart of the bond between you and each and every person in your inner circle. There is rich understanding, mutual respect, and divine love throughout. As the day ends and the stars appear above, you see how you are intimately connected to the entire universe, and that you are, in actuality, a divine being yourself. This explains the feeling of vast divine power flowing through your veins, vibrating in every cell of your being, and responding to your every thought, feeling, and belief. You now fully understand why Christ continually said, "According to your faith is it done unto you," and why he never claimed responsibility for healing another, but merely said, "Your faith has healed you." It is also clear to you why Christ said that if you had enough faith and did not doubt, you could command a mountain to throw itself into the sea, and it would happen. You are in ultimate control over your life. You merely have to focus on what you want and believe that it will happen, and it will be done for you by the divine nature of the universe. This knowledge gives you peace, as you know that you can experience anything you want in life, including vibrant health, abundant prosperity, passionate love, and loyal companionship of many friends. Your life could be one long party, or a successful mission of purpose and meaning. You get to choose. It's now time to choose to end this session. You have experienced many wonderful blessings during your time here, and are welcome to come back and experience this again and again and again, as often as you choose. So, bring your attention back to your physical body and the physical space in which you left it. Take a deep breath and stretch your muscles to awaken your body from its slumber. And when you are ready, open your eyes and remember, you are a divine being with the power to manifest miracles into your life. Until next time, be blessed, my friend.